Hello everyone, we are back with another good question. Let's take a quick look at our question. 9 minus 2 equals 7. 9 minus 2 equals 7. There is hidden multiplication in between. 7 times 7 equals 49. If you solve it this way, you made a mistake. Because we didn't pay attention to order of operation. We code the order operation as PEMDAS. P stand for parentheses, A stand for exponent, M stand for multiplication. D stand for division, A stand for addition, S stand for subtraction. We have one more feature here. There is no order between multiplication and division. Operations are performed from left to right. Similarly, there is no order between addition and subtraction. Operations are performed from left to right. Let's apply this rule to our question. First parenthesis, 9 times 2 equals 7. 9 minus 2 hidden multiply. Now we multiply 2 times 7 equals 14. Finally subtract. 9 minus 14 equals negative 5. We solved the solution in detail. I hope you understand. We've reached the end of the video. Now, solve the question on the screen. Share your answer with me in the comment section. Let's see who can find the answer. Our videos will continue. To watch new videos, click the logo on the screen to subscribe. You can also check out other videos in the boxes next to them. See you in the next video.